today we'll talk about how can you select sound notifications on your SweetMeet app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. So all you have to do is so you just go here above this sign, click on it here. When you just click on it, so then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on settings. Just click here on settings here. Then it's going to take you to next step here. So then all you have to do now, just click here on application settings. Just click on it. When you just click on it here, it's going to take you to this list. So then you click here on push notifications. Just click on it here. So then here you click here on sound, and here can you select here sound notifications in this list here if you want to get it always or only during the day or never. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.